BSAP, BSAP. That's what it is right now. I realize that many people don't know what BSAP is. It's a environmental group. They're environmental agents, but the reason you see they all look like military is because they are old ex-military, and then they have recruited many young individuals, people that probably went for the military or the police. It didn't work out, and they went to BISAP. BISAP is, for the most part, voluntary. Okay, and this goes back to the group we had during the Duvalier regime, who was also VSN, and they were voluntary. But we're gonna go in a little bit deeper into the conversation about BISAP. Hopefully, you guys have logged on, followed the Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Because sometimes, Instagram, when you do the reels, you don't want it too long. You want to switch it up a little bit. But yeah, sorry, eating some grapes. BISAP, the brigade. I'm sorry, the brigade for the security of protected areas. BISAP. Now, it is under the authority of ANAP, or ANAP, if you speak English, which is the National Agency for Protective Areas. BISAP's mission is to manage and coordinate a national system that protects all areas on the territory, on our territory. BISAP intervenes in the prevention against forest fires and stopping citizens from cutting too many trees for charcoal, which is a big problem for us. This is usually why when it rains, the lavalas, the mudslides, we have no trees on top of the mountains anymore because everyone is cutting it to make charcoal. It's part of the economy. So they have to be there to really manage that and have the people don't go too crazy. They are involved in reforestation, soil conservation, protection of watersheds, cleaning canals, and the damming of rivers. BISAP provides support with all other local authorities working at the border of the Dominican Republic. They help with the monitoring of all the imports coming from our neighbor, checking substances. What the hell? My bad, man. Eating, sipping. But they're there to protect the citizens. When they're at the border, they're checking everything that's coming in, checking to make sure there's no rotten food products. Um, they actually have things where they're testing certain, meats and different things like that. So they have a lot of work that they got going on, a lot of things that they're doing. These environmental agents, because that's what they call them, agents BSAP, agents. So now they become like the third armed force in the country. You have national police, you have military. Well, actually, military comes first. National police, and now we have BSAP. These environmental agents were elevated to the rank of General Directorate in 2017 by former President Jovenel Moïse. And of course, he knew the role of these citizens becoming agents trying to keep us safe. Only a president can remove their power, the BISAP's power. And right now, Ariel, he's on borrowed time. So all of these new things that he's doing to try to remove BISAP's authority in the country, it's not going to work. They have aligned themselves with Commander Guy Philippe, and things are going to get sparked off, believe it or not. Many people who have been able to leave, they have left already, and other people, of course, is on the exit. Everyone is getting ready to exit, and this civil dispute, which is going to be between them, the gangs. We have to watch out for the Dominican government and see what they have going on their side. We have to watch for all of the local um, treasonous or traitors. But I believe everything will be good at the end of the day. This should be the year of Haiti's liberation. So you guys continue to support, and we're going to see what happens next in this saga or this movie series called Ayiti. Ayiti Organic.